Regional broadcasters, after their two-day workshop, are now more equipped to present to their respective communities useful and important information.
I'm very thankful for the opportunity that I have got, not just myself, but the team of Radio Mabruma to be here to meet the radio broadcasters and radio coordinators for the regional radio stations. More so, I'm thankful that I have the Constitution and that I will be able to carry it back home to share with the listeners.
Happy to be among you radio practitioners here right across Guyana. To know the stage you are at this moment since your commissioning. And I was in Aishalton, and I can tell you that it's a really committed journey that you have, knowing that we are 19 years old this year and know the journey ahead of you. It calls for commitment.
I want to say how happy I am to be part of this weekend where we have gained so many different training on particular issues, the constitutional reform, and this is a very important tool that we would use to share among our residents in my sub-region. And I want to say that it has been a wonderful privilege to be here, to gain so much knowledge that we can enhance our local broadcasting in our various districts.
Radio is etched in Guyana's history, and with the establishment of stations across the country, the government is committed to connecting communities, since communication is vital to improving people's lives and creating opportunities for them. Reporting from the Otto Chung Conference Center with senior videographer Tej Paul Bridgemohan, Rebecca Ganesh, InfoHub.